Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
So let's go down that way and go down, and then we're gonna walk along that big mountain pass right there, and you'll see how it looks. It's different than it was before. And we're gonna come out over there, near there, towards that direction. And this opens up into a little viewing platform right here. This is also new. So now you can kind of hang out in this viewing platform and kind of capture the beauty of this area, because it really is beautiful, especially at night. So our road was right down there. And you can see it goes all the way down to that circle. So that little circle is where we were at earlier. And our road connects into all the type of village right there. And then also connects into the type of central, all those tall buildings down over there. Okay, let's try to give a good context to everything. But this is like an ecological park. That's Galaxy Casino. That is where we're going to be walking towards. So we're going to walk down this way and walk down this way along this ecological zone that's that'll be to the left of us this whole trip. And this road is changing quite a bit, so it's kind of interesting too to capture it, because it's not what it was before. And then over here is a big roundabout, so you can actually walk all the way around in this area. Give you some context: Macau University of Science and Technology is right there, Morpheus Casino is right there, City of Dreams Casino, Londoner Casino, Venetian, Parisian, and Studio City casinos are right over there. So yeah, Macau just keeps on changing, keeps getting more and more interesting all the time. So let's go down that way and go down, and then we're gonna walk along that big mountain pass right there, and you'll see how it looks. It's different than it was before. And we're gonna come out over there, near there, towards that direction. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So this is actually where I want to go. So we're going to be following this little path, and we're going to be on the left side of this one. And it looks like what we're going to have to do is go down and then go across that crosswalk, which is okay. Before we go down, that's Morpheus Casino right there, which you can kind of get some good images. That's this kind of like interesting middle part that we can't quite view from this particular angle. But maybe I'll try to get it from over this angle. I haven't been over to the Must University in a while. That would be nice to film too. So there's Morpheus. So we are gonna go down. And we're gonna follow that path right up that way. And then we might even go up to that ecological zone up that way. I think I might do that as well. I think that'll be a nice way to end this particular video. So let's do that. Okay, so we just came out at the ground floor. And we're gonna be walking down that way. I'm gonna come around a little bit like this. There's a gas station right on the corner there. And then that's the Grand Thai building. And I have filmed up there, and and you get an amazing view of the Cotai Strip. So I think usually I'll label it like Cotai Strip, and you'll see this beautiful viewpoint as if you're like up in a plane or something like that. It's like quite elevated. That's kind of interesting, these tall trees right there. Okay, so we are going to walk directly down our target street. That's where we just came from, that big circular, don't know what they'll call that. Then you could walk on either side of the street. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to walk on the other side of the street. So we are going to attempt to head on over. So there we go. Okay. So we are going to go up to that spot up that way. And we're going to try to capture the smallness feeling that you get in this area. Okay. All right. So this is actually new. This whole walkway is new. Before you had to walk next to this traffic, which was not very good at all. And then they put a lot of time and effort. I think it was predominantly during COVID. And then they built this space to walk. And they did have this before, the light pastel blue and the white. They had those railings before, so but they didn't have this railing before. So this is all brand new. Them little spikes at the top as well. And actually during the COVID, they built that side, which they didn't have before either. They built like a little coverage so you could have some rain coverage over there. Huh. Looks like they're building something else over here too, so we're gonna just take a look in a second what that's all about. And they got a new train spot as well. I'll try to explain that in a minute. But it looks like they're also building something else here. So I don't know if they're gonna build a path in here or what, or if that was already there but it's just like a little bit covered. And then we have a bus stop right here. So this bus stop used to be a different setup as well, and now it's a brand new bus stop. Got a nice lanterns right there. There's quite a few buses that come this way. There's a bus now. I do wonder where people come from to get on that bus. Got all these beautiful plants here. Okay. It's gonna turn the camera off, but then we have like just kind of continually interesting stuff everywhere, so you can't really turn it off without examining some of the stuff. So yeah, there's actually some nice, you can get the nice oxygen feel too in this area. Especially the ecological zone, you kind of keep some of the ecoculture going. So yeah, this is real nice. And we're basically gonna go to that platform right over there, and then we'll get some nice views over there. So so what I'm gonna do is maybe I do kind of want to capture that big rock face over there too. Just real quick, there's a hiking trail way up at the top. You can maybe see it from down here. I'll show you that later when we get up to the top, because I'm gonna turn the camera off and go up there. Actually, it looks kind of cool right in there. So there's Galaxy Casino right there. So that'll be lit up at night. It'll look real nice. Then you can see some kind of like ravines. And then you can see our mountain that we're looking at. So I'm just gonna do a quick 360 just so you can get the context of just where we were just at. And doing it from this angle with the casinos, Venetian Casino right there. Londoner. Huh. And this opens up into a little viewing platform right here. This is also new. So now you can kind of hang out in this viewing platform and kind of capture the beauty of this area, because it really is beautiful, especially at night. Okay. So we're almost at our viewing platform. Okay, let's go up there. So that's where we're going to be going up to. We're going to take that incline there's the one going up right now. And we'll cross this bridge. See people waiting for the bus right there. And our elevator's here. Okay. So now we can overlook our road. So you basically walk from there, right? That's our ecological zone. And that's the road that we won't continue down. So I'm not going to go all the way down to those tall buildings, but I have walked it other times, so it'll have the same name. And I'll actually also attach it to the bottom, to the end of the video. There'll be little clips that you can look further into, see it. And we're going to go up here, so there's a train line right there. So we're going to capture that in a moment.
Please take care of elders and children. Socorro vai no Carvalho. Cuidar dos idosos e as crianças.
中间那个水塘正在修理厂，修一下。这个水塘，月下风景。哦，还好。有点难看。而且这么大个潭。我还没有这个地方走过，就是这样。那边灯那就是哪里？花野街吗？那从这里下去以后，这样会。
Alright. So here we are. So we're up at the viewing platform now, and you can see down. You can see the hiking trails. So there was a hiking trail right there. You can kind of see people walking a little bit up there. That was the street that we were just on, down that way. This is better to see it like that. So we basically walked down that street. Then there's a whole viewing platform up here. So we're going to, we're basically going to go right down that way. So we came up that, and then we're going to go down that way. Okay. It's pretty cool. Okay. So now we got another one of these tram lines going down. Very cool. Okay, so let's go down a little bit. So yeah, I got this beautiful way to overlook everything. I'm just gonna come down a little bit further down, and then we're gonna try to explain everything. So our road was right down there, and you can see it goes all the way down to that circle. So that little circle is where we were at earlier, and our road connects into all the type of village right there, and then also connects into the type of central, all those tall buildings down over there. So our road basically is a connection between those two. And then we have this nice beautiful overpass look here as well. And then you got a little viewing platform thing here too. Okay. I guess we'll end our video like that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.